This is a learning and development success story happened at a large manufacturing company. Here, the goal was multi skilling, and engineers helped them achieve that. We all know there is a rising need for multi skilling in manufacturing industry, not for growth, for survival today. Engineers and technicians, those are expected to be well versed with the basic concepts of engineering streams other than their own disciplines and areas of specializations. This large manufacturing client wanted non-electrical and non-electronics engineers to get a good hang of electrical and electronic engineering concepts and skills. This was to improve their efficiency by reducing dependence on other engineers. The need was pressing and very clear. However, there were many challenges in meeting that need. The learners which were identified by that company, they were based out of different locations across India. It wasn't easy to get common time slots even for web-based sessions. Also, on the other side, it wouldn't have been appropriate to take common time of all these learners for a few very basic concepts. It would have been a risk of learners not getting engaged adequately. So if I know a few basic concepts and they are being taught by the trainer, I don't think I will get engaged. So that was the risk involved. So design of syllabus and program in a manner that encourages learners and keeps them excited, this was a challenge. We offered them an awesomely packaged blended learning program, a program which would ensure a very good foundational awareness and knowledge of key aspects of electrical and electronics engineering, which the learner would be able to apply in real life. It was a 5 days scheduled program. It covered modules on power generation, transmission and distribution, single line diagram, AC/DC circuits, power factor, motors, drives, basic electronic components, power electronics, signal conditioning, data acquisition, process control, digital electronics, microprocessor, microcontroller, and even industrial IoT. The program was a great mix of synchronous and asynchronous modes. So, of a few modules, a few topics were covered through a carefully curated pre-course reading material. There were L2 level e-learning courses to cover some of the topics. There was a web-based ILT plan, and across 5 days we had four such web-based ILTs, and it also had online assessment. This program created a great impact. It served the broad purpose impeccably. Learners gained functional awareness and knowledge about electrical and electronics concepts, and their dependence on others reduced because they could apply those concepts. Learners were happy to learn about relevant modern industry trends like IoT, IIoT. Learners made the most of expert trainers' contact hours when they met the experts in the web-based sessions, because they had pre-course curated reading material and e-learning courses. They could gather their doubts and questions even before they meet the expert trainer, and when they met in the web-based sessions, they could clarify their doubts and ask their questions. Self-paced e-learning courses and curated material offered convenience, and it also reduced logistical challenges. Otherwise, this would have been a longer duration program where longer contact hours would have been required. Also, because of the structure of the program, it wasn't monotonous. It ensured high engagement, and that's why good retention. How could engineers do this? Because we have the subject experts, domain experts, and learning solution experts working together to conceive solutions, we could design such solutions. We always had the electrical and electronics experts who can relate with ground reality of non-electrical and non-electronics engineers. We focused on understanding learners' context, and we were outcome oriented. So these were the highlights of that. We had the relevant e-learning courses in our catalog. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible to give those courses. We thought through the learning model and engagement ideas, and that's how we could come up with such highly engaging solution. And learners enjoyed it, created the impact, and hence this is a L&D success story.